In this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom quiz using your sources in NotebookLM. Let's get started. From the home screen, I can see my featured and recent notebooks. I'll scroll down and open the NotebookLM guide, which is the source I want to use for this session. Once the notebook loads, I'll navigate to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and click on the quiz icon. In the Customize Quiz window, I'll set the difficulty to hard to really challenge myself. Now I'll type in the specific topic for my quiz, which is a multiple-choice quiz about the features of NotebookLM. With that set, I'll click the Generate button. It takes a few seconds for the AI to process the information and generate the questions. Once the quiz is ready, I'll click on the NotebookLM quiz entry in the Studio panel to open it up. Let's take a look at the first question regarding technical architecture. I'll select option A, Retrieval Augmented Generation, and it looks like that's the right answer. To get a deeper understanding of the concept, I'll click the Explain button at the bottom. This opens the chat interface on the left, where the AI provides a comprehensive breakdown of how RAG works using my specific source documents. I can scroll through this detailed explanation to review the technical details before clicking Next to continue with the rest of the quiz. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.